So we have a lot of rain on New Year's Eve. Very special day for us. Gary and I have been together now for over 30 years. And on top of that, we're having all this rain and everything. We've had a rough 2025, but we're hoping for a wonderful new 2026. And these are the cameras around the house, just a few of them. These are my Wyze cams. I get to see the hummingbirds as well as the bird garden. And then I can keep an eye on the hummingbirds when I'm not about the house. I can check them and see if the feeders are low. And ooh, they're starting to look low. I was out there all morning. I put out 2 gallons of food, so I've got to go do that. And then I thought I'd give you a funny laugh, something we've never seen before. This happened today. You can see the camera there. Keep looking in the distance. Is that not beautiful? Look at all the colors of the stuff I got to clean up. And this is really cool. Gary just put this pole up too. It's brand new. Wait for it. Wait for it. But I get to see the whole yard. Here he comes. Wham! Can you believe Gary just put that up and that hawk thinks he's got a new perch to sit on to look for my rabbits? I don't think so. Now, just so you know, I turned on the alarm when he hit that camera, and the alarm did not bother him. But what I did do that ended up scaring him off, which for some reason the camera didn't pick up, was I have a microphone on there. So let's wait. And what I did was, let's see, he's going to sit there and scope out everything. Not my yard, he's not. But I shushed him off. I actually told him, get out of here, get off my camera. And that really startled him. I'm hoping maybe that alone, he'll think there's a person in that camera. Maybe he won't come back. But you can see the dog kennels. You can see the new totes I set up. Well, you can't quite see him. Yep, there he went. And he took the camera down with him when he left. So Gary and I watched it on the camera. He said he'll wait till the rain stops. Well, that's what he told me, and then he went out the door. But Gary went outside. He told me he was going to wait till it stopped raining. It is pouring out here, and we've had wind as well. Nope. He took it down. There he is, in the rain, putting the camera back up. We're going to have a few of them up there. This is a flagpole I bought. I bought it from Walmart. It has worked out perfect. And he adjusted it back. We get to see if the pepper tree shakes in the rain and the wind, if any limbs come down, and keep an eye on my chairs, though I hope to clear those out soon. The rainbow garden needs some touching up. We'll do that soon too. And here he's just straightening it up. What's really cool is I can check for deer and different animals coming through, even sometimes people on the hilltops. The hillsides are so pretty and green. And he's checking the camera probably on his phone so he can see what direction he wants it in. The Wyze cams, you know what? They're really worth the money. They're so inexpensive, and I've had them for years. Here's a conversation we had. I thought you were going to do this later.
I might as well do it now.
Did he damage the camera?
No.
Okay, no. I guess he slid it back up already. So I wanted to give you a good laugh for the end of the year because that's never happened to us before. So with that, have a wonderful day. Don't forget to eat what you grow, and Happy New Year, and let's look forward to a wonderful 2026. Zoe naps with the rain going on outside, and we wait to see if any more birds come about. And remember, we had a house full of birds the other day. Did that video too. Those joncos found their way in and filled our house with birds. Oh, what a strange week. Happy New Year!